Welcome to the hottest movie review on the internet today, the A-List Review. I am your host, the Game Changer, Wes Troop, and today I am here to review the newest horror film creeping into theaters, and I was really excited for this one because I am a big Jane Levy fan. And when I saw the preview for this, I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be good. But did I feel that way about the film? We're gonna find out. By the way, I was not a bandwagoner. I was a Jane Levy fan back in the Suburgatory days, so I don't want to hear it. Anyway, so here's my review of Don't Breathe. A trio of teens are pulling off small-time robberies for money in order to get out of Detroit and move to California. They find out their next job is in a rundown neighborhood where there's only one holdout left. The crooks find out that the man is blind, but it's a large payday and the job seems too easy to turn down. The three sneak into the house to try to find his safe, but end up waking the man up. The kids soon discover this man may not be as innocent as they thought. So what did I think of Don't Breathe? I thought it's an excellent horror thriller. This is one of the most tense films I've seen in a very long time. It's truly nerve-wracking seeing the man pointing a gun at the kids or running right next to them down a hallway. It's a spectacular mix of the acting, the sound, the editing, and the music that really makes everything work. The movie does have some blood, but never gets too gory, which works in its favor. However, there are a few surprises that happen throughout the film. One thing that the old man tries that is downright disturbing. I really enjoyed the scenes where the characters are in complete darkness in the basement, as it puts them all on an even playing field. There are a handful of great jump scares that are there for a reason, unlike many recent horror films where they just sort of have no purpose to be in the film. I was glad to get some backstory on these characters, and they weren't just no-good punks trying to rob a blind veteran. You may be actually surprised some of the characters you get behind, as some more secrets are unveiled as the movie goes on. Don't Breathe stars my bae, Jane Levy, as Rocky, the teen with a terrible mother and a younger sister she wants to move out of town with after one last large robbery. Dylan Mignette as Alex, Rocky's friend who is very uneasy about this job and changes his mind a few times about going through with it. Daniel Zovato as Money, Rocky's boyfriend who is hell-bent on stealing the man's money to give them a better life, and Stephen Lang as the blind man, the old veteran who isn't going down without a fight and might have a few secrets of his own. Don't Breathe will certainly keep you on the edge of your seat and is one of the better horror thrillers of the past decade. I'm gonna give it the rating of A-List approved. That's right, it gets the A-List seal of approval. Alright, well that's the show. I'll be back next week with more reviews. But until then, don't forget to subscribe right here on YouTube. YouTube.com/Westside515. You can like the show on Facebook, Facebook.com/WesTroopAlist. And of course, you can follow me on the Twitter and the Instagram @WesAlist. Until next time, Troop out.